Just want to show you Chaser 1 for the 2012 Chaser season. We have brand new equipment this year that we'll go over, plus some old equipment we've had. First up will be our rain gauge. Measure rainfall readings on the fly. Our emergency light, just in case the rainfall gets too heavy and no one can see us. Two external antennas. The one on the left is for scanner operations, and the one on the right is ham radio operations. A little mini mesonet we have here. The reader on the left, of course, is the ammonometer, and the reader on the right measures humidity, temperature, and dew point. It's all controlled inside the car. With the weather computer here, it's got temperature, dew point, humidity, and wind speed. This is our ammonometer reader. Gives you wind speed readings on the fly, no pausing. We have our rain gauge reader, where we've got our rain gauge readings. And for audio purposes, we have our little silver box in case anything happens. We'll have our last moments recorded on audio. Also on video, we have our camcorder with window mount, so we can code readings on the fly. We don't have to hold it. Our communication equipment. We'll just show you the back one first. It's our ham radio, so we can directly contact Skywarn in case of any reading or any emergencies we have. We have our scanner, so we can get information from local police departments of any road closures ahead. And we also have our TV radio, which basically does the same thing on the highway for truckers. We also have our laptop computers, which will give us radar readings as we are on the field, and that's also powered by GR Level 3. We also have cell phone communications with radar apps. This one is Radar Scope. We have that one. And Pickle Radar. The computers and the camcorders can be powered by a brand new power inverter this year. 400-watt power inverter, which give us ample power to power everything in the car. That's about it for our chase season this year. Hopefully we'll get a lot of chases. Thank you very much. Please check out our webpage, check our YouTube page, and follow us on Twitter. Thank you. See you soon.